As Vijay Divas is being celebrated all over the country, in Chandimandir also, the Vijay Divas is being celebrated with the former army veterans and retired army officers coming here and remembering Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, who played a pivotal role in the 1971 Indo-Pak War. Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal, who was also given a Paramveer Chakra, and he lost his life. He was martyred in that war. He played a great contribution in that war, especially in the Battle of Basantar, with just 3 tanks. He destroyed the Pakistani tanks. He destroyed 6 to 10 Pakistani tanks, and everybody who worked with him, did duty with him, remembers him for his valor. So today, floral tributes were given, and the veterans and the retired officers, basically, they came up and remembered the heroics of Second Lieutenant Arun Khetarpal.
Major General Tejpal Singh Bakshi, Sena Medal of Gallantry. I was in this battle. Arun Khetarpal was my section mate, let's put it. Section in the sense like we have class 4 in a school, class 9 in a school, A section, B section, C section. And in military academy, we call them companies. He was my company, more or less next room neighbor. We had a good relationship, cool, collected, calm guy, no boisterousness, nothing. And I met him, we were together in this battle of Basantar. So they were the armored corps, we were the infantry, we were in the holding area to try and save that counter-attack from a different side. So we were holding that area on Basantar banks. So I met him a day before, or maybe 2 days before he died. And we were all gathering, getting our ammunition up. We were already 7 to 9 kilometers inside Pakistan by then, Samba sector. From Samba we entered, right? We went to Samba sector, and then one of the ammunition trucks got stuck in a rivulet. We tried to take it out, couldn't. We got one more vehicle that also got stuck. And I saw a lone tank coming. I waved at the tank, and I knew it is coming from Indian side, so there's no head. So Arun saw me standing there, and my Fauji name is Tom Bakshi. So he said, Tom, what are you doing here? I said, whatever you are doing. Only thing is, you are driving your tank, I am stuck in this damn river. Can you just pull that vehicle out? He put it, one jerk, both vehicles were out. He said, see you in Jarpal. Jarpal was the target that time. And then that night, the battle started in this area. And the whole area was very heavily mined by Pakistanis. And this mine clearing was done by engineers and 44 Light Regiment. And the tanks started then going through that. I remember. All right. I would say that I told you he was calm, collected. And I do remember a story that he said that the day he was dined in his regiment, that day we are supposed to say a few words. Somebody will say, welcome to the regiment, etc., etc. So, utne kuch jawab diye wahan pe, and I don't exactly remember. We are all touching 79, 80 now. But he did say in that dining in function, I'll do something for the regiment.
From Chandigarh, with camera person Aman, this is Asim Basi, India Today.